Signing up and managing user roles. Sign up on the platform using your email ID and password of choice. Once the email is validated by clicking on the link sent, the user will be taken to the profile details page. Here they can update their profile. We have already created an admin user ID for you, Muthu. Please ask your team to click on Sign Up and create a profile for them. Or you can create a user role for them. To create a user role for your users, you need to go to Navigate, click on Roles, choose your organization, and to add a new user, click on the Add icon. Here you can enter their user email IDs and then check the card types as required. Once you've done this, you click on the Save button and your users will now have the necessary roles assigned to them. To delete a role, simply uncheck and remove the user by clicking on this Remove icon here. This is how you can do a sign up and manage user roles. Thank you. Creating a solicitation and attaching an assessment web form to a solicitation. To create a solicitation, go to Navigate and click on Solicitation Requests. Next, click on Add. Select the solicitation type, followed by the organization, the title of the solicitation, website details, followed by contact email in the organization, a description to the solicitation. Solicitation due date and time can be set here. If Sandbox is required, you check yes, and if not, it's a no. And then, if you wish to attach a web form template, click yes and select the web form template. Once done, you click on Save. The solicitation is now created. If the solicitation is automatically updated from an API feed like the FBO, then the web form will be automatically attached to it. As shown here. To complete an assessment for a solicitation, go to Port, Solicitations, and choose the solicitation you'd like to complete an assessment for. Click on the Respond icon, which is Take Assessment here. And this is where any MBI users with the roles assigned can take this assessment. A notification is sent to the user groups specified in the Compass module after an assessment is successfully completed. Creating and managing groups. Platform can create and manage user groups. Groups determine a list of users that can interact with a particular record or task. Solicitations can also be sent out to a group of users who they are intended for. To create a group, go to Navigate and click on Groups. Then click on Add to create a group. Enter a group name, whatever you want to call it, followed by your organization. And then you enter the email address of all the users you'd like to create the group for. Once you've done this, click on Save. So this is how you are able to create an assessment alert group or CRM groups or any other groups you would like to create. The Compass module. This module should be used to configure settings for the assessment sheet. Simply click on the Edit Configurations, and here you can set the cut-off criteria on assessments. Next, select the Assessment Notification group and the CRM Notification group. Once done, click on Save, and emails will be sent to Assessment Alert and CRM groups. The Canvas module. Users can create and manage their own web forms and assessment forms using the web form templates. Templates for assessment worksheet can be easily created using the form editor. This is how a form editor looks. You have a toolbox where you can drag and drop questions. You can edit these questions and set weights here. Once it's done, click on Save, and then your web form templates are ready to be used. Thank you. Sending an opportunity to the CRM from the platform. To do this, click on Solicitations from Port. MBI users can send the solicitations directly to the CRM from Port. If no assessment is done for this opportunity, a message will pop up asking them to complete the assessment, and they cannot send it to CRM until this is done. A non-admin user can send to CRM an opportunity that meets the assessment cutoff criteria established in the Compass module. Only admins will have the authority to override and send to CRM the solicitation that does not meet the assessment cutoff criteria. Once an opportunity is sent to CRM, this is how it will look in the CRM. All MSIS fields are populated here and ready to be input as needed by the MBI users. A notification is sent to the user groups specified in the Compass module after a solicitation is successfully sent to CRM.